Hey, I am Weird Crazy Man. You may know me from Jack and Ben. I'm Jack. Okay, yeah, you might see some videos about Ben. But still, I'm so awesome. That wasn't even me flex. Watch how high I can jump. Okay. Just get out of school. Wait, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. We already saw this menu. There's this thing called sweet chipotle chicken, but it's so fun to say. You should say it. Like sweet chipotle chicken. One time it sounded like I had like an Italian or Japanese or English accent. I'm like, sweet chipotle chicken. What? Okay. So. Let's see, don't push. Oh man, push up so hard. It's not all I can do. But still, who cares? Wait, why was I doing that anyway? Remember, always remember, sweet chipotle chicken. Still, that's pretty cool though, right? Whoa, this thing feels so cool. If you could like reach in the camera and touch it, be like, feels so cool. That thing feels so cool. Okay, we gotta get to the good part of this, so people watch this. Okay, so, whoa. Okay, that was probably pretty fail. Oh, okay. This is going to be pretty sweet. Stay up like that. That's the end of the first episode of Weird Guy. I'll see you next time with me, Weird Guy, from Jack and Ben. Always remember,